So I was very confident this morning that we had everything.
I mean, very confident.
We didn't need all that extra. All right. So we get to the storage place and there's no hitch on the back of my truck. And then we try to get everybody out so I can run back to the house and get the hitch. And then we realize we have no leash for the dog.
So we're off to a late start. And it's pretty normal to forget things, especially when you're weekend warriors, because you're constantly moving stuff back and forth to the trailer. So I think we had gotten more into a routine last season, but since the temperatures keep changing, we keep bringing stuff in and out. But I think now that we're hitting the spring, we'll be good to go. So we've run into a few snags. The stabilizers are not working, so Henry had to manually put them down. This is the only one that worked, the front right. So you can see that the battery is empty. So now our slide won't go out, and that's why the stabilizers weren't working as well.
I have a little bit of an issue going on with my battery. Got to figure that out. I will keep you posted on that. But here is our setup. Not too shabby. Nice private view. Have not explored the campground yet, but that is on deck. Good morning, everyone. Happy Easter. Today we're just gonna hang around the campground, explore the campground. Maya and the kids may do a little fishing with some friends of ours. But right now, Maya and I are gonna go for a little ride around the campground so you can take a quick peek on this nice, beautiful day. You ready, babe?
Yo, I'm ready. I got my Blackstone back. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow. That really just happened. But anyway, as you can see, we got rid of the Suburban.
We didn't get rid of it. It's just resting in the belly of the RV.
I had to jump back on a Blackstone camp.
Yeah, so
we made sure to remember that one, didn't we?
yeah.
That's good.
I'm just doing some barbecue chicken tenders and green beans.
Very nice. And did you catch any fish, first of all?
Did not catch any fish on the Rappahannock, but we will be going out again maybe tomorrow.
As you can see, that's why they're cooking chicken. Today I was able to get into Ace Hardware. Got the tools that I needed. And now I can install this Max Air fan. I have 2 of them. Well, that wasn't that hard. Basically, you just have to line up the brackets, make the holes in the proper locations, and then just attach it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So anybody interested in saving some money and that is okay to climb a ladder, I would say go ahead and try it. It's a very simple installation.
Elena, what are you doing?
Making a cake.
Making a cake for your brother. That's so sweet. That's your birthday gift to him?
Yeah.
Nice. So what kind of cake are you going to be doing?
It's just a yellow cake with chocolate frosting. He picked it out.
Elena, give them the tip for oven use.
Oh yeah.
So the RV oven temperature, like if you put the temperature here, it's usually wrong. So I used a grill thermometer to find out what the actual temperature of the oven was.
Okay. Hope it comes out good. We'll check back in with you in a bit. So for those of you that did not know this, my daughter loves to bake, and she typically makes stuff from scratch, but here in the camper we're just making it easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
But one thing that I don't like about her cooking is she is so messy. She is so messy.
Whatever.
Can't you be neater when you cook?
No.
No? Okay, fine. Whatever.
Yeah. Look how pretty my wife looks today. Well, you look good every day, but you look extra. Okay.
Look at her face. Why are you looking like that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Juwan. Happy birthday
to you.
Well, today it is my turn to go on a fishing trip, so stay tuned. There you go.
There we go.
There we go. All right, D.
There y'all see what y'all know.
Yo, you snatched it like a G.
Mid talk, right? I'm talking mid mouth. Now the problem, that catfish? Yes, sir.
Nice.
So today's review is of the Bethpage Campground, and this is located in Urbana, Virginia. The check-in process here is really smooth. Upon arrival, you're going to be entering the park through the guarded gate. From there, they're going to give you your packet and they're going to assist you to your site. You'll just simply pull forward and there's going to be a golf cart that's going to direct you. Check-in is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 12 p.m. So for this particular visit, we chose a paved site. Our site is 1A on Loblolly Lane. Actually, most of the sites here, if not all of them, are full hookups, meaning we have electric, sewer, and water. A lot of the sites here are located on the grass, so you'll have to be specific about choosing a paved site if that's what you're looking for. There is the option for pull-through sites as well. One thing that we did notice is that a lot of the vacation sites are sprinkled in amongst the seasonal sites, I guess is what you call them, or the more permanent sites here at Bethpage. So let's talk amenities. Now, we're not going to go over all of the amenities that they have here because there are just so many, to be honest. But some of the big things are the water park, slides, poolside cafe, all things that are offered here at Bethpage. They also have a ton of organized activities. I'm pretty sure you can rent kayaks and paddle boards. They also have a boat slip, which is what our friends took advantage of. We were able to go out onto the Rappahannock River and do some fishing, which was pretty awesome. Bethpage also includes an 18-hole mini golf course, which unfortunately you do have to pay for. It's roughly $6 per person. There are a couple of cornhole boards set up throughout the park, as well as an RV washing station. So quickly, let's talk about the cottages. Bethpage has cottages that you can purchase, but they also have cottages that you can rent. The one particular cottage that our friends rented had 3 bedrooms, and this one particular unit that our friends rented, the rooms were small. Now, something else to keep in mind is the Wi-Fi that was offered by the campground. It was spotty. We were not able to stream anything in the RV. My favorite part about this whole experience here is at Bethpage was being able to get out on the water and do some fishing.
Yeah, that's pretty convenient that they allow you that water access.
Yeah.
Any of you folks out there with boats.